Stuck up on that stage singing. Oh, I know. I'm sad.
Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. It's Riptide here, and today we have a very exciting unboxing. The brand new Annihilape EX box. And oh my gosh, I love Annihilape. So cool. And now I get the brand new EX card, which I'm super happy about. It also comes with Mankey and Primeape, and then it has 4 packs, but unfortunately only 3 of them are the new Scarlet and Violet packs, and one of them is one of the Hisuian packs. I don't know why they keep doing this with the boxes. I mean, they can just make more cards, which means that they can make more packs. So it's annoying that they keep not making all the packs in these boxes the new ones, because that's, you know, that's what you get the boxes for. You get the boxes. You get the new boxes to get the new cards, not the old cards. But anyways, excited to open this, so let's do that. Okay, got that open fairly quickly. I noticed that Pokemon made the new boxes a lot easier to open than the older ones, which is much appreciated. Same with the packs as well, as I've noticed. Okay. Put that over there. Here. Let me get all of these out. Here's the code card. Okay, we have our little evolution line right here. We have Mankey, Primeape, and Annihilape, the coolest one. Oh, this is so cool. And I also like the artwork for these cards as well. I like the 2D designs that Pokemon does sometimes, so I like that for Mankey. And then for Primeape, I like how in the background it's one of the little vaults that you can unlock to face one of the legendaries. That's really cool. I think this one is the one with the... Oh, which one is that? Is that the one with like the I think it's the one with the moose guy. That's my guess. Anyways, really cool. And so now let's open some of these packs. We're gonna start off with the Florigato. Probably my least favorite starter out of the 3. But still cool. Forward to oh shoot. There. I almost did forward to the front again, like the old ones. Okay. Oh shoot. Energy. Tadbulb. Tandemaus. Frigivax. I like seeing all these new Pokemon. Citadel. Ooh, Quaxwell. A drone trainer. Farigiraf. A reverse hollow Quaxwell. A reverse hollow Fueco. And a hollow Ceruledge. I did actually already pull this card. I think it was off camera, but it is still a really cool card, and maybe I can trade something for this. Ceruledge is really cool. By the way, as I've said before, I did end up getting Pokemon Scarlet instead of Violet, but I ended up using my own money to get Pokemon Violet. And part of the reason is so I can have Ceruledge on my team, which is exclusive to Pokemon Violet. So I'm really excited about that. Okay, so first pack down, nothing great, but that's expected with the first pack. Now we have Quaquavel, the second one. That's the starter that I chose in Pokemon Scarlet. Got to say I was a little disappointed with the final evolution, especially compared to how adorable Quaxley was, but that's just how it works out sometimes. Energy, Pineco, once again in front of one of the vaults. That's cool. Marill, Mankey, Delibird, Trainer, Pomo, Tinkatuff, Reverse Hollow Makuhita. Ooh, Reverse Hollow Hydreigon. Very cool. I love Hydreigon. And then Garganacl, Hollow Garganacl. Fortunately, not an EX. I'd rather have an EX Garganacl, but this is still cool. Glad to add it to my collection. We also got Reverse Hollow Hydreigon. Very cool. Okay, second pack down. Next up is our third and final Scarlet and Violet pack, and then we have the Sword and Shield Lost Origin. Boom. Okay, let's get an EX card. I mean, we probably won't, but Energy, Pomo, Toadscruel, Rotom, Chansey, Florges, Greedent, Pavilion, Trainer, or Reverse Hollow Trainer, another Reverse Hollow Trainer. Oh my gosh, a Hollow Reverum. One of my, if not my least favorite new Pokemon to Pokemon Scarlet and Violet. I just don't like it. I don't like inanimate object Pokemon, as I've said about Klefki before, so I don't like Reverum either. And then, of course, we get 2 Reverse Hollow Trainers, or items, so that's annoying. Not a great way to end off the Scarlet and Violet packs. We do have this last one here, but it is not Scarlet and Violet, so no EX card. That one opened surprisingly easy. And then now we have 4 to the front instead of 1, so I have to remember that. Energy, Trainer, Porygon 2, Trainer, Gumi, Bronzor, Snover, Jinx, Inkay, Reverse Hollow Poliwhirl, and guys, I think I see a V card behind this. I really hope it's something good. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! No way! Wait, this card is actually really good. Yo! Kyurem VMAX! No way we just pulled that! Oh my gosh, hold on, I need to price check this real quick. Hold on. Okay, so here it says a high of $31, which is pretty good. Hold on. I'm gonna go to the shopping mode to see how much this is selling for. $51 here. Well, this is the rainbow rare that's going for 300. Oh, this one's going for 200, but it is on eBay, so you know, don't love to trust eBay. This one's going for $45. $36. $39. Okay, so $34, $32. So yeah, like in that range, which is pretty good. I've seen this Pokemon on those like Pokemon YouTube shorts where it has like the most expensive cards for one Pokemon. I think I saw this card on one of those videos and it's pretty high up there. So that's cool. I'm so happy to add this to my collection. This is actually really cool. I can't believe I keep getting something good from the older packs, but no EX cards from the new ones. That's annoying. I mean, I really wanted more EX cards, but yeah, we did get this super cool Kyurem VMAX, so that's good. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all later. Bye!
3, 2, 1.